All right, so let's run this back real quick. Man, I ordered the wrong screen protector, y'all. I ain't even gonna front. I ordered one for the A7 and not the S7. So what's crazy is they look like the exact same packaging. Let me take this off. So what's crazy is they come in the exact same packaging. So as you can see, they both say, you know, glass screen pro premium tempered. Like literally both say the same thing. So you just got to make sure when you order for the S7 and not the A7, the Tab A7. So without further ado, man, we're gonna do a glass shield removal quick. Remove this real quick. As you can see, it comes right up, which is nice. Man, I rocked this one just until the new one came because I was worried about, you know, scratching this guy. So now we'll take it out of the case. Get it out of there. Let's go. All right. Got the pin in there. Take the pin out. Got your tabs. Got your dust absorber. So let's get this on there, man. Got the instructions. Make sure your hands are clean. Wipe it down with the wet wipe. Remove with dust. Line it up. So we'll use a cleaner wipe. Let's remove any fingerprints, oil, dirt, grime. Get it all off. I forgot I still had one of the clear pieces on. I have it on this microfiber cloth. That way it keeps the tablet from rolling around while I'm cleaning it. All right. Now let's get our wipe. Wipe it down. Move some of this trash out the way. All right. Wipe it down. See if I can do this the first time correctly behind the camera, man. See if we can get it looking on point. All right. It's looking good, y'all. All right. Now we'll get our dust absorbers. This will get any dust. Start in the corner, I'll work my way down. Really just looking for any little specks of dust. It's good to have good lighting, man. That way you can kind of see if you got any dust particles floating around. Because once you drop it on there, man, it's going to be hard to see until you actually push it down. If you have any dust underneath the screen. So I'm going to give it one good look. Here we go. All right. So this is sweet. The last one didn't come with the, alignment tray. So we're gonna drop that down. The Tab A7 didn't come with this alignment tray. I gotta see. Boom, boom. All right. Check one more time for dust. I don't see nothing. Just give it one more little tap, 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 tap. Just checking for dust, y'all. Because it's about to go down. All right. So, got the clear film you got to peel off. I'm holding it on the edges, right in my hand. And I'm going to line it up. Man, this makes it nice with this this case. And as you can see, I'm going to just slide my finger forward, make sure my corners are tucked. Yeah, this lining case or trim piece that come with it is nice. Now I just want to line it and push my finger and kind of guide it, as you guys can see. And yeah, there's a little bubble right there, but that can be addressed. Not bad. All right. Man, this is edge to edge. So as you can see, I got a bubble right there. I'm gonna show you how I deal with those little guys. So anytime you get a little bubble, just give it a light little lift, apply pressure, and work your way to the edge. There's another little bubble right there. So we're gonna do, it's good to have nails, man. Do a nice little lift, and then apply pressure and push. Boom. And then there's one more bubble right there. A little slight lift with your nail. Apply pressure. And then to the end. Boom. All right. Get your microphone. Your wipe. Wipe it down. Yo, that's clean. Very clean. And man, you get 3 of these just in case if you do mess up, you do get 3 in the pack. So I got 2 other ones, you know, for if this one cracks or gets scratched or damaged in the future. And for only being like, what, $10 or something, I'll put a link below in the description where you can pick these up, man. But for $10, man, you can't beat it. You can't go wrong. Yeah, I'm just working out any kind of little air bubbles in here. Now, one thing that I'm concerned about is when I put the case on, because it's real close to the edge, that it's gonna, not work with my case. But take a look at that. Bubble free, y'all. Bubble free. And you see the cutouts? So we'll drop it in the case real quick and we'll see if it works. But like I say, man, it's right to the edge. So we'll see. We'll drop it in. Boom. Because this case is not forgiving. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's hugging. Let's go. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Like, it's right to the edge. I don't know if y'all can. I'll show y'all here in a second. It is in the case. I'm just getting any smudges off, man. It definitely shows a lot of smudges under this light. That OCD is killing me. But take a look. Got some dust. Told you it show everything under these lights. Got some little rasivity right here. Okay. So as you can see, it's right up against the case. Right up against it. Like, it don't get any more precisely closer. This is a perfect setup, man. So if you got the Tab S7, man, and you're looking at the Spigen case. Oh, and keep in mind, I am not sponsored by Spigen at all, man. I pay out of my own pocket for this. I just figured I'd give you guys a look at the Tab S7 and the Spigen case with the cheap glass tempered screen protector. And like I say, man, it looks perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So if you just copped the Tab S7 or you thinking about getting one and you're looking for cases, man, I highly recommend the Spigen case, because I've been rocking out with this one since last year when I had my Tab S5e, and I decided it worked so well, I'm gonna do the same setup. So as you can see, got the pen in there, and the pen does not fall out, which is nice, and it kind of sits a little bit flush, so when you lay it on the table, you don't have it just, you know, sitting with the hump. Real nice. So I'll give you one quick look at the stand. Boom. That's how it sits. And then wipe my little fingerprints off, man. Try not to touch the screen. It lays like that. So you can use it in this mode. See? If you like this video, man, don't forget to hit that like button. If you got a comment, hit the comment section and I'll get back with you. But until the next time, man, y'all stay easy, Swoon Nation. Peace.